This video intends to show users how to collect and generate reports on all of the materials used within the project, with a look at how the user can set prices for their cost reports. Producing the bill of materials is a relatively simple two-step process. The first step is to collect all of the materials within a given project. This is achieved via Material Reports menu and Collect Materials. Next, the user can choose which active drawing model pairs the materials are collected from. In this example, the All button will be pressed to quickly select all active modeling pairs. Then click OK. Next, the operation will ask if a rough estimate or an accurate takeoff is to be used. It is usually best to use the accurate option. BD will then collect all of the materials used within the project, collating them into the Collected Materials database. This database contains all of the information for the materials, and this information will vary depending on the material type. There is also the option to see where a material is used within a 3D model. To do this, highlight the piece you want to find and click the Trace button. The piece will then be highlighted green in the 3D model. Confirm to go back to the database. The database can be closed by clicking OK. Now, if further materials are added to the project, then the Collect Materials will need to be run again. However, should the user just wish to access the Collected Materials database again without updating, then this can be accessed from the system settings. If the user has the relevant permission to access this menu, then Libraries for Bill of Materials and Collected Materials for BOM. The next step is to generate the report itself. Again, go to the Materials Report menu, and this time select the Generate Material Report command. The output format window will open with a list of available reports, which will depend on the user's customization, as further reports can also be developed and added here. In the basic installation, there are various different report types ranging from costing reports, cutting lists, and summary lists. Many also have the option of outputting in Excel format rather than the standard text file output. Simply choose the report to use and click OK. BD will then run a query on the Collected Materials database based on whatever conditions are specified by that particular report type. A new Collected Materials database displaying the queried information will be shown. Now click OK, and this information will be gathered into the report. Reports are automatically saved into the Reports folder within the root directory of the project. However, they can quickly be accessed from the project document browser. When using the cost estimating reports, it may be necessary to adjust the prices of materials to suit the current costs or the local market. This can be done via the Material Register found in System Settings and Libraries for Bill of Materials. The price can then be altered per material type in the Prices tab.